Good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain the most important questions of physics in 10th class. So, in this, first of all, we will take the chapter electricities. In this electricity, we will cover all the most important questions. So, in this today's video, I will discuss about only first two questions. That is, what is the difference between a conductor and an insulator? The second question is, what is the difference between open and closed circuit? Draw the diagram for both. And third question is, define parallel connection and series connection. Next, fourth one is, what is potential difference? Give its unit with definition. So for the third and fourth questions we will discuss in the next video. Explanation. Conductors. What are conductors? Conductors are those substances which easily allow the passage of electricity. Examples are all metals, whereas insulators. Insulators are those substances which does not allow the passage of electricity. For example, rubber, wood, plastic, etc. Reason why these conductors allow the electricity and why not this insulator? So because in your previous classes you have studied about, that is, valence band, conduction band, forbidden band. In case of conductors, these valence band and conduction bands are overlapped to each other. Due to this overlapping, the electrons from the valence band are easily enter into the conduction band, which are responsible for the electricity. Whereas in case of insulators, the energy gap between the valence band and conduction band is very large, that is approximately 15 electron volts. So that's why a very high electric field is required to push the valence electrons to the conduction band. So that's why those are acts as a insulators. Okay. Now come to the point that this second question, what is the difference between the open circuit and the closed circuit? So open circuit means a circuit which does not allow the passage of electricity or the current does not flow in it. Whereas in case of closed circuit current flows. So diagrams are here. Here in this diagram there is a bulb is there and a battery, and this one is plug key, and this arrow marks are indicates the flow of electrons. Okay, so when this plug key is removed, the circuit will be opened and there is no bulb is glow. Where if you put the plug key, then the circuit is closed. When the circuit is closed, the flow of electrons is continuously flows from negative charge to the positive charge and the bulb is glows. Okay, now in the next class we will discuss about the connections, parallel connections and series connection, and what is the potential difference and its examples. And for these two questions, please subscribe my channel